KC2RV back again with the simulcast project, a quick video with a recent acquisition. I've just received is a Racal-dana 1992 frequency counter. Oldie but a goodie. It was made in about the late 80s, early 90s, I believe. Can take an external reference. It's got a built-in OCXO, 5 MHz OCXO for high stability, but can also be tied to an external reference, as you can tell on the screen. I have it tied to an external reference. I actually have it tied to this little Trimble GPSDO that I received, and this is going to be my bench reference from now on. So, and of course I have my little 9.6 MHz OCXO that I've been using for the clock timing, you know, as the for my RTCM to make it suitable for simulcast. And I originally adjusted this. Using my service monitor, and I got one of them at 1.2 Hertz, and it drifted a little bit. But as you can tell on this, it's accurate all the way down to 0.01 parts per million ish. Because if you look right here, we count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is, or you know, the 1 part per million. Then you got 0.1 and then 0.01. So it's fluctuating a little bit, but I don't think I can go any farther out on the resolution. Nope, that's as far as she goes. So it's I had to adjust it. I have a small hole on the side here to adjust it for the frequency adjustment, and I had to tweak it a little bit. And so far, it's been just sitting here at 9.6, fluctuating back for about 15-20 minutes. So no problems there. Every once in a while it flickers back, but can't complain about that. We'll see what the aging does, how long it holds. But according to the specs of this OCXO, I shouldn't see more than 0.01 parts per million drift, 0.02 maybe, over the course of a year. So, and this tell you what, if you can pick one of these up for a good price, this I got, it was about 120 bucks. Really good shape. If you can pick one up for about that, I'd snag it. Great piece of test equipment. Really great piece of test. Like I said, it's old, but it's accurate. And it goes up to 1.3 gigahertz. So, but you can tell how I have it in here. I stuffed the rectifier diode in the end of a BNC connector so I could make the connection. Oh, I put the lid on top of my thing there. Oops. Oh, I'm gonna have to take the lid off now. But yeah, just wanted to go inside, make sure everything was hunky-dory in there. So that's it. So anybody had any doubts about the accuracy of these OCXOs that I've been getting off of eBay, you can rest assured that they're good performers. Very, very good performers. Later on, I'm going to perform an experiment with this little guy. Here, let's get that is a temperature compensated crystal oscillator. And I got that, I think, was like $16 brand new. And I just want to run an experiment and use this in conjunction and see. Get out of here. Got an ant here. Where did he come from? Oh, it's gone now. Use this in conjunction with the one site having an OCXO and see if I get any drifting Any audio synchronization issues? If not, then it could quite possibly be a solution that is easier to implement, less costly to implement, less time than the OCXOs. So we'll have to see. These come brand new, and I haven't tested one of these yet. I could power it up and test it and see what we get out of it. In fact, I might do that in another video. Anyway, for now, still right where she needs to be. Till next time, if you questions, comments, want to know any information that I haven't already shared, or have any questions at all, feel free to contact me. My email is good on QRZ, and there's always the comment section. See you later in 73s.